What is good, everybody, and welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we've got something very special planned, as here we have the Jordan 4 White Thunder. We've read the comments and hear you loud and clear. You like it when we bring in the highly anticipated sneakers for early review and styling, and we are happy to oblige. But one thing we do ask is that you confirm that to us by liking today's video and subscribing to the channel with notifications on. This is going to be the best way to communicate to us that you enjoy this style of content and to keep it coming. And also, next week's upload is going to be all around styling with various pieces from our website. So subscribing to the channel with notifications on ensures that you don't miss out on that. The Jordan 4 White Thunder is Jordan Brand's third color offering as part of the Thunder Pack, preceded by the original Thunder 4s, which feature black with yellow accents, and the Red Thunder, which feature black with red accents that was originally introduced in 2022. The Jordan 4s have undergone a few different changes and iterations over the years, and this rendition here is no different. Beginning with the retail price, the Jordan 4 White Thunder is set to release on August 24th at a retail price of $215, $5 more than the original Thunders that were re-released last year, and $25 more than the Red Thunders that were introduced back in 2022. In addition, the shoes themselves did undergo some changes, which I will elaborate on a little later in today's video. But to go ahead and start things out, let's go over the unboxing, which is pretty simple for the most part, as once in hand you do get a white box that features speckles throughout and the Jumpman Flight logo for the box cover and a size tag that comes with every Nike and Jordan brand product. Once you open up and flip the lid top, we have matching speckle tissue paper that does encase our featured sneaker of the day, the Jordan 4 White Thunder. The upper predominantly consists of a soft nubuck with self fabric overlays throughout the shoe. As seen on other Jordan 4s, the sneaker is adorned with TPU wings that serve as design as well as function as eyelets, rubber netting that does cover the white mesh that is located on the lateral, medial, and of course center portion of the sneaker, and the TPU heel tab that does have the Jumpman logo. Yes, that means no Nike Air logo here. The tongue is also made from a soft nubuck and is finished with the Jumpman patch on top, and on the flip side of it you have the Air Jordan logo that is upside down in the event you do want to wear these with the flip tongue like they did in the 90s. Now, as I alluded to, the Jordan 4 White Thunder has undergone subtle changes relative to its Thunder counterparts, and for the 2024 White Thunder, these do feature the latest iteration of the Jordan 4 silhouette, which does feature more of a streamlined silhouette and more cushion around the ankle area, which is a detail that the sneaker community at large does appreciate. Now, although we have an updated silhouette, sizing does remain the same for the Jordan 4. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how Jordan 4s fit, simply go ahead and take your true to size and you will be good to go. Unless you have a wider foot, then consider going a half size up. However, a majority of people will find that going with your true size will be good enough. The same rings true to the midsole and outsole, just a standard midsole outsole that you commonly find on Jordan 4s, which does mean you have an encapsulated airsole unit here at the forefoot as well as here on the heel, which is visible through the window. Standard Jordan 4 traction pattern here for the outsole, as it does feature that herringbone traction pattern as well as the stars at the tip of the shoe. My question to you is, what are your thoughts on the Jordan 4 White Thunder? Are they a sneaker you can see yourself wearing as a viable option for your rotation, as many others do, with the highly likelihood of these being widely available as well as highly versatile as a product of their university loved color blocking? I personally project this shoe as one that people will definitely love, simply due to the fact of their ease of stylability, which kind of previews next week's video. Plan is to go ahead and style these with a myriad of different outfits from our website to really hone in on just how versatile and stylable these shoes actually are. If you'd like to see that video, please be sure to go ahead and like today's video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to ensure that you don't miss out. But in addition to that, because that is going to wrap up today's upload. As always, we'd like to thank the Minimal community so much for the continued support, and I'll catch you again next week for another Minimal Monday.